Apparently, Mpumelelo told Mangwabe that she cheated on Musamseleku and that Mangwabe's last born, Zenande, is not Musamseleku's daughter. Guys, let us talk about that and more here on this video, but first, I need to request you to like it, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. It looks like Mpumelelo doesn't really take Mseleku's wife seriously and that he doesn't really respect them. The whole country was shocked when Mpumelelo said that him as a Mseleku man cannot be told what to do by Umacele and that his decision is final. So people are shocked by these comments from Mpumelelo and asking how can Mpumelelo talk like that about his mother. Oh, and I just remembered that Mpumelelo once said that he's not related to Cele when he wanted to take that Cele girl as his first wife, which clearly means that he does not really consider other Mseleku wives as his mother. He was at some point close to Makhumalo, so I don't know whether that is still the case or what. But recently, Mangwabe revealed some shocking accusations. So Mangwabe was saying that Musa had to slaughter a whole goat in apology to the ancestors after Mpumelelo accused her of cheating on his father and falling pregnant with another man's child. So Mpumelelo was unsure about Zenande being her sister because her head did not apparently look like other Mseleku children's heads. And that apparently did not sit well with Mangwabe, so she demanded an apology from Mpumelelo, and as a result, a whole goat was slaughtered to apologize to the ancestors. Mangwabe even mentioned that Tirolo's daughter had the exact same head as Zenande and was wondering if Mpumelelo is also doubting his daughter's paternity. And after this revelation from Mangwabe, social media has since been on Mpumelelo's skin, criticizing him for being disrespectful, which is expected. I mean, social media never liked Mpumelelo, so it's obvious that things are now going to be worse since they now have a reason to hate him. Phela Macele, Makhumalo and Mangwabe are his father's wives, so he needs to respect them no matter what opinion he has towards them. But then I don't want the guy thinking that I'm hating on him, which is why I'm going to end this video right here. So all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Please comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.